Good evening. My name is Temsu, and accompanying me on the guitar is Lano. We have had very powerful singers, vocal performances before me, and I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed because I wouldn't consider myself as a singer in the strict sense of the word, but I love music. I love writing songs and at the same time composing songs. And the song that I'm going to try to sing this evening is titled "Yours Alone." So before I sing the song, I would like to share a little bit of the story behind the song. It's an original composition of mine, and if you were to ask me how my life has been, I would simply put an analogy as something like this. My life is something like a kindergartner being handed a class 10 question exam, exam question paper, which means I have a lot of ups and downs in my life. So when I grew up in my family with four other siblings, my mom and dad, my father and one of my sisters were the only breadwinners in the family. And within the span of 2 days, I lost both. Once in marriage, my sister got married, and the other day, the next day, my father passed away. So starting then on, our family was spiraled into a lot of struggles. And I still remember I used to pick up part-time jobs, two odd jobs to support my studies and also at the same time my family also. I remember college days when friends were planning for vacations and plans and during this off period, academic period. Um, I would spend time in the jungle logging and cutting trees so that I could support my studies and also my mother. A lot of things happened. Life was hard, but God was faithful, and God led us through all of those struggles. Just as I thought life was getting a little bit better, another tragedy struck, and one of my sisters got into a lot of trouble. So many things in detail that I will not share, and because of which we practically lost everything in life. We lost our home, we lost our plot of land. So I was studying theology at the time. So I went for my theological studies from my home, and when I returned, I did not have a home to return to. And despite that, I kept on trusting God that He's going to lead us in spite of all of those struggles. Through it all, one of my passion was academics, and I really wanted to study in a reputed institution. And one of my dreams was to study at Princeton University, and for which I worked really hard and prayed about it, and I waited for 4 or 5 years just to get into the university. And the first year I tried, I did get the admission, but didn't get enough scholarship, and I was asked to come back again next year. Unfortunately, COVID struck, and I could not even leave my home. And in that frustration, I was forced to study in here at CTC. And just as I was starting my academic journey there, I lost my brother, who was very dear to me, and it seemed as though everything I tried, everywhere I went, nothing was working out. And as a servant of God, serving in the church, we are kind of forced to put up a smile every time and just be cheerful and talk to people as though nothing happened and all is well in life. But there were moments of fear, of distress, of in fact even anxiety and depression, starting at those moments in life. And so this song is a song of prayer to God that through it all, I am holding on to His promise for my life, and that in every situation, even when I hit rock bottom, I am still God's, that I belong to God. So the song is titled Yours Alone. The storm is raging on in all its fury, forcing me in ways of pain and misery. It's hard to see your plans through the rainfall of tears, surrounded by these clouds of distress and fears. So I wait upon you, Lord, cause I know you will keep your word. Jesus, I am yours alone. They say the darker the night, brighter the light, but at times I feel like giving up on this fight. The dreams that I have built are fading away. I don't think I can make it through another day. So I wait upon you, Lord, cause I know you will keep your word. Jesus, I am yours alone. My heart is heavy, I need your rest. When failures come knocking, though I give my best, I still believe you can calm the raging sea, rekindle the flame of hope inside me. So I wait upon you, Lord, cause I know you will keep your word. And only you can keep me safe. Jesus, I'm yours alone. Jesus, I'm yours.